Okay, let me go ahead and show you this AI called Gamma AI, which lets you create presentations with AI in just a couple of seconds. So this can be, for example, useful for you if you go to school and you want to make a presentation, but you're too lazy to make it, then this AI might be able to help you. Or if you're a little bit less devious, then this can be used to, for example, create a sort of starting ground, which you can then base your presentation on. So first of all, you're just going to go ahead and simply go to their website called gamma.app. I will go ahead and leave a link to this in the description as well. Then they're going to ask you to sign up, which you can go ahead and do by clicking on the top there. Just click on the start for free, and then you'll be taken right here where you can go ahead and enter an email. If you don't want to give them your real email, then you can use this website called the temp email. I'll try to leave a link to this in the description as well, and go ahead and enter that email. Then you're going to get an email like this, and all you have to do is go ahead and verify the email. After I will ask you to create your account with just some simple stuff like your first name, last name, and go ahead and choose a password. If you do want to avoid all this, you can also use your Google account, but yeah, then you might receive some emails from them until you unsubscribe from them. And after that, it is going to start asking you how you plan to use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put for personal use right here, and you can pretty much put whatever you want here. I don't really think it matters here, so I'm going to choose marketing, and yeah, just create these, and let's go ahead and choose YouTube right here. I don't really want to get email from them, so I'm going to go ahead and click on not now, and from here you can choose how you actually want to generate your AI presentation. You can go ahead and paste some text which basically outlines and tells the AI step by step how it's going to create the presentation and what should be included, or you can just go ahead and give it a simple one-line prompt and go ahead and generate the whole presentation from that. So if you haven't created anything yet and you want to start simply from complete scratch, then this generate option is what you're going to want to use. Or if you already have some existing documentation or a presentation file or anything like that, then you can go ahead and import them to this AI and go ahead and help it with improving your presentation. But we can just go ahead and try the generate option here and see what it does. So let's go ahead and click on that, and now it wants us to describe what we would like to generate. So I just wrote a simple prompt here. I just told it to make a presentation about the future of AI, and I wanted to start the presentation with some sort of story about this AI. So let's go ahead and see what it generates here. You can choose some different languages, and it actually looks like there are a bunch of options here. So yeah, that is really good to see. You can also go ahead and change the aspect ratio. Let's go ahead and just keep it fluid and see what it generates. You can also see how many cards you want it to generate. So I'm actually going to choose the maximum here, which is going to be 10. Let's go ahead and generate this outline right here. So yeah, as you can see, it is currently working and loading up. It looks like it is writing the template that is going to base the presentation on. So here we have all of the information, and I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and edit any of this if you do want as well. So you can do that. You can add cards, do whatever you want here pretty much. But I'm a bit too lazy for all of that, so let's just go ahead and click on generate right here and let it generate our whole presentation completely for us. Okay, and we are inside the generation UI, and it looks like it is going really fast. So yeah, this really doesn't take more than a couple seconds here, and as you can see, it does make some stunning looking presentation, and it looks like it is done here. So let's go ahead and see what it generated. Here we have what is calling Gamma uses cards to contain your content. And every card is made out of an editable block, so I'm pretty sure you can just go ahead and edit that however you want. And it looks like we are done here. So yeah, it also gives us some sort of checklist, but I'm not really interested in that. It also generates all of the images here as well, and yeah, in my opinion, just taking a quick look at this, all of the UI elements, all the text, it seems to be really good. I'm pretty sure you can tell that some of these images are AI made, but I'm pretty sure it still works pretty well with the presentation because it really does match the context here. And I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and share this. Can you download this? Export? Yeah, you can export this as a PDF or PowerPoint, so you can go ahead and put this into like your PowerPoint presentation or anything like that. You can also just simply go ahead and export it as images if you do want as well. Or you can present right here on the site, and it is starting from the bottom there. So yeah, this is how it's going to look. Wow, that is really good. It does add some transitions as well. So yeah, that's really good to see. And yeah, this looks really good. So definitely go ahead and give this AI a try, and I just want to make it clear that this video is not sponsored. I simply just think this tool is really cool, and I wanted to share it with all of you. As said, all the links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.